Yo, I'm Nez, and I'm up in the man cave, dropping another impromptu review on y'all. Please, pardon the slight mess. Like I said, many times I'm getting my man cave together, and I'm getting closer and closer. So, but we getting there though. But that aside, this time what we're doing a review of is the BAM, another generic box item. But what this item is the Dierya mechanical gaming keyboard with true 60% true RGB backlit Bluetooth 4.0 yada yada yada. I'm not gonna go through the whole title, but basically it's an RGB mechanical keyboard for gaming. Um, this mouse that we have underneath here that I have upside down because I like the black more than the other side is also an RGB gaming, oversized gaming mouse. I'm doing my whole setup here. I already did a review of my my actual game, or this gaming mouse pad, I should say. I also did my review of my gaming mouse a while ago, but I originally bought that for my laptop. But now I'm going to switch it over to here, and I'm going to use my upright mouse that I normally use for my computer for that. So, enough talking about why I got the stuff. Let's just get right into it. But before we do that, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell icon, so that way you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, baby, and also hit that share button so that way others can be notified of my videos, and it would seriously help me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. So now we got all that out the way, let's get into this. Not much to see here, just a white box, giggity, all around. Got this stuff on the other side. Couple of little items here. Bluetooth. I don't know why brown's checked off, because it's supposed to be black. Okay, black is checked off up there. So maybe this is the model, DK63. I have no idea what any of that stuff means. Here goes your barcode. I like to show you that. And like everything else, made in China. So, we'll just get right into this. Here goes the keyboard. Here goes manual. You know how I feel about that. Ooh, got a nice USB cord. I like this. I may use this for my phone. And it's USB 3 too. Oh, I'm gonna use my my standard USB 3, right angle and everything. Wow, they sent a nice cord. This is the first that I actually got something I actually like. I mean, I hope the whole shielding on here has nothing to do with it, but we'll see. Whatever this is, I have no clue what that is. And then some replacement keys. Nothing else in the box. Let's toss this to the side. Right off the bat, this bad boy's got some weight to it. This bad boy has got some serious weight to it. Nice clicky letters. I can tell you right now, the leathers have like a silicone-y, rubbery coating to them, so that's going to be good for like grip when you're typing, even though I'm not the typist here. But that, if you are a typist, that's going to be great. I mean, obviously this is meant for gamers, so the gamers are going to need the grip for however they play. I'm not gaming like that. I do PlayStation gaming. I imagine these probably pop off easy. They're all lit up underneath, because you have your replacements here. They have specific ones on here. I don't know. Maybe they're trying to. Maybe there's specific reason. Maybe they know certain ones pop off more than others. I don't know. I have no clue. Oh, maybe this is used to actually take the. Is this what do you use to pop the key off? Maybe. Oh, I think that is. You use that to pop a key off. Yes. That's what that's for. Oh, see, I figured it out. I messed around and lost it. Okay, let's pop my Windows key back on. Simple as that. Did I do it backwards? I think I did. Guess what? I can pop it off easily. No, now I'll put it on backwards. Man, I'm just batting 1,000 here. That's what she looks like. Let's get a power cord to her so we can see how she lights up. This is the front of it, top of it, obviously. The back side of it, there's your power cord spot right there. The bottom of it, you got some feet that kick out and they have like a rubbery grip on them, just so you know. DK63, that's the model number. Rubber grip down there. Here goes your on button right here. On off power button, so when it gets charged up, it is wireless and you sync with Bluetooth. So I should be able to just turn up. I just turned it on. It already has power to it. The Z button is flashing when you turn it on. And I'm dropping stuff already. So I'm gonna press the Z button since it's flashing. Oh, and the Z button, that changes the color. Does that change the mode? Or let me just wait a second, see what happens. Okay, so now it's breathing. Okay, so the Z obviously changes the mode of the keyboard. So it's doing the whole breathing thing now. Okay, so I press Z again and see what happens. Still doing it. Press Z again. It stopped. Maybe I think I might need to read these instructions to try to figure out how to work this thing, because I don't think anything was happening when I was pressing that Z button. Let me pause this for a second, read up on this so I can give you accurate information. Let me catch you on the flip. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to show you the manual so you can see all the functions other than the ones that I just told you. This is how you put it in pairing mode, so hopefully you can read that. I'll try to try to focus in on it so you can read it yourself, because the directions are a little wonky, but I mean, if you can figure it out if you play with it enough. And here goes the directions on what I just told you on how to work the lights situation right there. And then here goes some more directions on, I'm still trying to figure out what all that stuff is for. I guess it's different functions when you have it plugged up versus when you have it in Bluetooth mode, or USB mode or Bluetooth mode or whatever. So you know, I'll leave that for you guys to figure out. I mean, normally I would try to demonstrate that stuff, but I mean, this video is already getting to be longer than I would like it to be. There was your contact information. I just figured out how to switch the modes. That's why I came back in. I just felt like I just need to show you that, since I like really played with it. So you hold the function key down, and then, well, right now I already switched the mode. So right now this mode is, no matter what you press the button, whatever button you press, so if you're typing, it just keeps doing all that, which I think is mad cool. So it's just reactive to how you're typing. But if you press down the function key and then press the /, that switches your mode again. So now that's a mode. I'm just going to go through all the modes. And obviously each mode you can speed up or slow it down, just the same, or lighten or darken it. Okay, next mode. That's pretty cool. Next mode. It's kind of a little random situation going on there. Next mode. Obviously speeding up. Slow it down. Next mode. That's just, it's like a, you touch the keys, it'll stay lit up for a little bit. Like a little trail behind it. I thought that one was pretty cool too. Next mode. Looks like it just all stays lit up there. Okay, there you can really see it lighter, get light or darker. That's about as bright as it goes. Next mode. Similar to the last one, except it's a different color layout. Oh, and it's like kind of fading a little bit. Well, let's speed that up so you can see it better. Oh, there you go. So this is the mode that I wanted for this oversized mouse. I can't understand. It's supposed to be able to do this right here. I think this is so cool. So I'm like hating the fact that my keyboard can do it and the mouse can't. The mouse pad, I should say. I keep saying the mouse, but the mouse pad can't. Next mode. And there's your breathing. So basically my keyboard, my mouse pad can do this, so I may just have them syncing with the breathing together until I get a new mouse pad situation. That's cool too, going back and forth, kind of like Knight Rider a little bit. Let me speed it up, see if I can get the Knight Rider effect. And that's about as close as we're gonna get. Next mode. Okay, some more RGB lighting effects going on there. That one's cool too. Next mode, and we're back to the start. So being that I figured out how to do the modes, I just wanted to make sure that I show you guys. So now I really recommend this keyboard now that I know that it does all these modes. It's really cool. So with that being said, impromptu review of the Dierya RGB mechanical keyboard. Definitely grab this. Links will be down in the description. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And I'm out this piece. Cop this keyboard. It's banging.